do you know about black hat, white hat, and grey hat hackers? Maybe you don't know. Let me tell you. So basically, these are the type of hackers. The black hat hackers. They're known for having a vast knowledge about breaking into computer networks. They write secret or malware which can be used to gain access into the systems. They misuse their power skills to steal information or for malicious purpose. The white hat hacker, they use their power for good deeds, and also they known as ethical hackers. Most of them are hired by the company as security specialists that attempt to find and fix vulnerability or hole in the systems. They help make the security better. Grey hat hacker, they are an amalgamation of white hat and black hat hackers. They look for system vulnerability without the owner permission. If they find a vulnerability, they will report it. Unlike the black hat hacker, they don't exploit the found vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, comment down below and subscribe for more.